Hello, friends. The topic that we're going to discuss today is portfolio. What is a portfolio? If we go for the meaning of the portfolio means total holdings of securities belongs to a person or to any person. If we see in the image below, there are maybe available that if this is a portfolio of any person, then he has equity, then he can invest in debentures, he can invest in preference shares, he can invest in government securities, he can invest in gold. And if we talk about equity, shares of the different companies belongs to like Reliance, Tata, Larsen and Turbo, etc. Even debentures are available of different companies. Preference shares are available for different companies. Government securities, there are various government securities that the government launches time to time, in which an investor can invest. And even gold is a basic, a very common form of investment in most of the Indian households. Usually investor, if we see, if any person is investing on a single security, then it is not called a portfolio. Usually investor will not invest its entire amount in a single asset. He will invest in different asset classes. These different asset classes held by an investor together is called a portfolio. If you look within your family, you have many different types of asset classes, like you have land, you have gold, you have silver, shares, PPF, Kisan Vikas Patra, RBI bonds, etc. All these are your different assets that you are holding, which are when combined together becomes your portfolio. Now if we see, where can we invest? Now once you start earning, you have to invest, somewhere. You cannot consume everything that you earn. So after expenditure, that whatever amount you are left with, you have to invest it somewhere. So this is a basic list that we can see on the screen, where a person can invest. This list is not exhaustive. It's not a complete list, because every person invests in their own ways. Okay, but these are the basic ones. First of all, it comes the equity shares. There are equity shares of different companies where you can invest. Similarly, there are preference shares where of different companies. There are bond and debentures of the different companies, or even the government bonds and public bonds, private company bonds. So you can invest in these bonds. Then there comes debentures. You can invest in debentures of different companies. Then there is a mutual fund. Then comes the post office deposits. Many persons who are not who do not know about the technicalities of investment, they can invest in post office deposit. There are helpers there, that help the individuals to invest their money in different ways, like deposits. They can Vikas Patras and all, whatever the option is available at that time in the post office. Then comes the land and real estate. This is also another area where the investment can be made. Then comes gold, silver, jewelry, bullions. These are also the forms of investment where the investment can be made. Then comes PPFs. Then comes the very famous, or we can say most used form of investment in India basically, are the bank fixed deposits. Whenever you go to the bank, you say you want to invest the money. The banks within few minutes or a very short time period will make a fixed deposit for you, and you can earn or return in the form of interest on these bank deposits. Then comes the derivative products. Those which are we can say very sophisticated investors, or we can say the investors which have the very high risk taking abilities, they can invest in these derivative products. And last but not the least comes the paintings. Many investors invest in the exotic paintings which are worth of crores and rupees. okay, and they can be sold later on again. So these are the basic forms where the investment can be made. It's not a complete list, it's not a exhaustive list. There are various other more options where a person can invest. Okay, so basic portfolio are the combination or a mixture of all these securities when are combined together is called a portfolio. That's all for today. Thank you.